Welcome to Connelly on 11. This A1 one-bedroom, one-bathroom layout offers from 750 to 825 square feet of living space. Recently renovated, your new home showcases wide plank wood-inspired flooring and a warm, inviting color palette. Connelly on 11 offers 3 choices in cabinet finishes: white, maple, and oak. This home features maple cabinets, granite countertops, an undermount sink, Energy Star rated stainless steel appliances, USB outlet, tons of counter space, and sleek modern fixtures. This floor plan offers an optimal flow from the large dining space through to the living area, which is large enough to accommodate a 90-inch sofa and features oversized patio sliding doors. The full bathroom has been updated with stylish features including granite countertops with plenty of vanity space and a new tub surround. The bedroom is well laid out, offers a large closet, is ideal for furniture placement, and will accommodate a king-sized bed and nightstands. Just off the entry, you have a great walk-in entry closet, perfect for all your Minnesota extras. Welcome home.